Hi friend, how are you? If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and colleagues. Today my discussing topic is why stone or ballast used in the substation. The stone and ballast used in a substation. Different reasons are there. The first reason is stone give protection to the resistive fault. So what is the resistive fault? Suppose one conductors or one jumper has been snapped from the line and the jumpers are just hanging and just touching the ground. So what will be the happen? If there is an resistive fault, so if the operators or if the technical persons go to the switchyards for the investigations or just for supervisions, different types of equipments installed, they can be very much affected due to the resistive fault. So if the stone has been laid on the switchyard, so this resistive fault may be minimized. If the resistive fault will be minimized, so the operators or the technical persons, the accidental probability will be reduced. So this is the main and first reasons why the stone has been given. The stone give protection to the resistive fault, the first point. Second is stone provide protection from wild animal and snake. Different types of wild animals and snakes are just here and there. We know that they can easily enter to our domestic house, to our quarters and the various places surroundings our dwelling house. But if the stone is just laid on the switchyards and surrounding the transformers, around the current transformer, surrounding the breakers, surrounding the area, so this stone will help us because the animals and the snakes cannot move on the stone. This is not the plain surface, this is the rough surface, and the stones can be harmful for the snakes also. Snakes cannot move very easily, so they will or maybe avoided the path or to entering to the switchyard. So the operators and also the technical persons who is just observing the installed apparatus and supervising the equipments, the probability of the accident or probability of any harmful effects will not be there. So the second reason is stone provide the protection from the wild animal and the snakes. Third is the stone help to stop grow of the different plants in the switchyards. Due to the stone, due to not the soil, we are providing the stone in the different layer. Somewhere we are providing the 1 feet layer, somewhere we are providing the half feet layer, somewhere we are providing as per the design and as per the requirement basis. We are using the different stones and gables in the switchyards. So for growing a tree, the soil and the waters is very much needed for the tree to be grow, a grass to be grow. So it is very tough. It will be very tough to grow a grasses or the tree on the gravels, on the stones. So the stone help to stop grow of the different plants in the switchyards. So it is very important because the switchyards has the different types of connectors, different types of conductor, different types of IPS tubes. If some trees or some bushes will be grow there, that may be touched to the live line and any types of accident or fire hazards may be happened there. So it will be avoided it will be totally protected by help of the stone. If you was using the stone, the grasses and the trees growth will be very minimum, and we can easily uprooted it by help of the sweepers or different labors. That's why the switchyards of our substations may be clean and neat clean, so we can move from here and there, and also the protection purpose. The fourth, improve the yard working conditions. Suppose you are working throughout the year, different winters, rainy seasons, and different types of winds, rain, and as per the weather conditions, the rain will be there here and there. So, if the switchyards are totally wet and the water logging may be there, if the surface of the ground will be not same, and if the soil is present, that maybe they are slippery, or maybe there are any types of problems, water logging. So if we are using the stones, we can easily move on the stone, because if the water, rain, or different types of situations, the water is just growing our inside and ground, inside the ground, and under the stone, the soil is present, so soil is absorbing the water, so water logging problem will be not there, slippery problem will be not there. So the operators or the technical persons who are moving towards the isolators, moving towards the capacitor bank, moving towards the transformers, moving towards the circuit breakers, they are easily can operate it, easily operated the earth switch, easily operated the line side isolator, easily operated the different types of isolator. So the improve the yard working conditions will be maintained due to laying of the gravels. And the next topic is the stone are help to reduce the step and touch potential possibility. So the stone, what is the step potential and touch potential? We have already make a video on the step potential and touch potential. Please see my video of step potential and touch potential. You will get clear idea about the step or touch potential. So these stones is just reducing the step potential and also the touch potential. That's why we are using the stone in the switchyard. So these 5 reasons, the main 5 reasons we have discussed today, because the stone is a very vital part, or gravels is a very vital part in the substation. So friend, the idea is that we learned today the stone give the protection to the resistive fall, stone provide the protection from the wild animal and the snake, stone help to stop grow of the different plant in the switchyard and improve the yard working condition, and stone are help to reduce the step potential and touch potential. And one more reasons are there, because we are just working with the environment of oil. Transformers has an oil, current transformer, potential transformers, and different types of oils are there. Oil are emitting from the equipments anywhere during the fault condition, during the normal condition, due to the leakage or seepage, and the water is just poured on the gravels or poured on the stones, and the stones and the oil is just going to the under the stone. That's why the slippery or any types of accident may not be happen there, because if the stone is not present, if the water, if the oil is just poured on the surface, operators or the technical person who are observing the transformers winding temperature, oil temperature, whatever may be the situations, maybe the slippery there, and maybe any types of accident may be happened. So these 6 reasons is very important. You should remember the 6 reasons for why we are using the stone, why we are using the gravels in the switchyard. So friend, if you are interested to show my video, I have done lots of video on, depends on my practical experiences what we have gathered. So if you interested to enhance your knowledge to recall your old memories. Please subscribe my channel and share my channel with your friends. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much.